So in this video, we're gonna be doing some cleaning. So let's start. If you guys are interested, most of the items in this video, I purchased them on Amazon. So if you're interested, please check out my Amazon storefront, and they're linked there. The charger, the napkins, the napkin rings, as well as the dining chairs, they are all linked in my Amazon storefront. So in this video, we're going to do a little bit of cleaning as well as decorating, and then at the end I did a little bit of Sunday cooking. So I cooked my usual Sunday dinner, and that's pretty much it for this video. So I'm super excited to share this video with you guys. I haven't done a cleaning video in a long time, so I hope you enjoy it.
It's in the night when I think I made it, when all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking, not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying, those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only wanna turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, hindsight is 2020. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. You've been so patient, so patient. I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby, baby. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned, cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm I've been there dreaming, dreaming. Gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I'm building castles in the sky. Always dreaming, dreaming. Still out of reach, but in my mind I see us clearly, you and I building castles in the sky. Always dreaming, dreaming. Gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know I'm building castles in the sky.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart. In another life, in another life. Someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop. In another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this. Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worried that it won't be enough. Yeah. Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I had to give. Oh, someone must have told me a lie, really played with my mind in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this. Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. The reason doesn't mean no.